It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Woo! What's up, beautiful people all around the world? My name is Alan.
My name is Trish.
And this is TeamTorchic, a positive and loving Pokemon community. We got a special banger of a video for you guys today. Not only are we announcing the winner of this 100% legit base set Raichu, we'll get a close-up on that here in a minute. We are opening up a Black Friday Deals 10. It's got Burning Shadows and Evolutions, and I think some Sun and Moon packs in it. What you got there?
A Vivid Voltage Blister, chance to get that
Crispy.
or some amazing rare.
And what else, Trish? What else we got?
Double V Champions pack.
That's your dude, ain't it? Double V is 100% your dude. Well, guys, we hope you're all having a fantastic day. This is going to be an exciting video. We hope you all stick around. We are going to be announcing that giveaway winner on a comment generator on the laptop, and finally doing a giveaway before we hit our next milestone. And we're pretty close to 2K already, so we're obviously going to do a 2K special and be giving away something else. We haven't decided yet, but we know it's going to be vintage because we want everybody to have a fair chance at getting a hold of some vintage cards. They keep popping up for cheap to us, so that's more reasons to just give and give and give and give to the community and give back to you guys, because you guys are amazing. Your time is always valued here, and we really want to make a difference in the Pokemon community and be the one channel that stands out and makes it to the top. So we hope you all stick with us to the top. No torch shall be left behind. Now, what do we always say? If no one told you today,
You're awesome.
you're talented,
And you are loved.
and you are part of the Torch fam.
Alright, all our torches. I'm going to show you the promos. Here's the Ho-Oh promo from the 10. Here is the Sabo promo from the 3-pack Vivid Voltage Blister. And last but not least, the Double V from the Champion's Path. We also have a surprise. Dun dun dun
Dun
dun.
dun dun. A bunch of code cards for
cards.
everybody. Woo woo woo. Let us know what kind of pulls you guys are getting online. We know that online game is pretty fun to do. I used to do it for a little bit, but got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, definitely let us
Don't
know
got
in the
much time
comments
for it.
what kind of pulls you get.
Just real quick, wanted to show you guys the base set Raichu. It is pretty clean for the most part. It has a little bit of silvering over here. Other than that and a few scratches on the foil, I mean, it's pretty crispy. I mean, either way, it is a chance to get a free 20-year-old Pokemon card with how Pokemon is insane right now. It's honestly a blessing, and I hope the right person gets this card. But we're going to get straight into these packs, guys. Let's get straight into these packs, starting off with Champion's Path. We still have not pulled the Rainbow Charizard or the Shiny Charizard, which would be amazing if we could get them. Machoke, Victini, Carvana, Lanoon, Weedle, Inkay, Hetina, Rockruff Reverse. Ooh, right off the bat, we got a Dreadnought V Ultra Rare. Not too shabby. I'm going to put him straight in a sleeve. What a way to start an opening. First pack magic, we get an Ultra Rare. So nice. So I'm going to bang out a couple packs, and then Trish is going to bang out a couple packs, and then we're just going to go ahead and pick a winner sometime here throughout the video. Kaboo, Arbok, Sharpedo, Trubbish, Galarian Zigzagoon, Inkay, Pokeball, gotta catch them all, right? Purloin, Hyper Potion, ooh, and a Lycanroc Holo. I'm gonna slap him back there. We're not gonna sleeve him up today. We're not sleeving up the holos today. Vivid Voltage, oh my gosh, I love opening up Vivid Voltage. Honestly, one of my favorite sets in a long time. Here we go, code card. 3 or 4 from the back. Darkness Energy, Bird, Energy, Char, Great Value Squirtle, Riolu, nice, Chimecho, Nincada, Pokeball. Reverse Young Mega. Ooh, we got another hit. Nice. We haven't got that one yet. Colossal V. Not too bad. We're going to go ahead and sleeve that boy up. Put him back there. Another Vivid Voltage pack. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, no. We're going to have to edit this one out. I was hitting the Trish. Here we go. 4 from the back. Fix this camera here. Energy. Drone Rotom. Swoobat. Loudred. Ferroseed. Joltik. Sandile. Seedot. Picky Pecky Pecky. Reverse Nincada. And a regular rare. Well, not too bad, honestly. Our first regular rare. Oh my gosh. So sadly, guys, that tin actually did not have the Evolutions pack or the Burning Shadows. Instead, we got a Steam Siege, but it is what it is, guys. Oh well, it's always fun opening up cards anyway. Jumpluff, Fossil, Skiploom, Fletchinder, Hoppip, Nosepass, Nidoran. That's kind of cool looking. And there's Simba himself, Sneasel. Ooh, a reverse Shiftry. It's like half black, half green. It's kind of cool. Alright, this is my last pack, guys, and Trish is going to bust the rest open. Now, she has some Vivid Voltage and Champion's Path down there, so there's still a chance at some really good pulls. Hopefully, she can get something good. Code card. 4 from the back. Here we go. Ooh, that's cool. Clefable. Professor Sycamore. Bursting Balloon. Luxio. Skrilp. Staryu. That's kind of cool. Skorupi, Patili, Rattata, Pokemon Ketcha. Oh, am I doing? I did the card trick wrong. Oh, well.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna start out with this Crimson Invasion. Alright, oh, code card. 4 from the back.
Man, there's so many people that entered in this giveaway. It's insane. Good luck, guys. It's coming up.
We truly appreciate every single one of you. Truly.
Starmie. Regular rare.
Regular rare. Getting into Sun and Moon.
I think you can get a gold card out of that one.
I'm not too sure, to be honest with you.
Drowsy on a beach. I've seen him. I want everybody to spam the comments with the little yellow chick emoji. I'm gonna put it in the pinned comments. I want to see how many of those comments we can get. That'd be great to see. Ooh, another regular rare. Well, it looks like I'm finally winning.
Yeah. Ooh, I don't know. I'm getting into some Champion's Path. Let's see what I can get.
Well, I'm pretty sure those guarantee a holo. Oh my gosh! If you pull a Char, because you are the Char Queen, so. How epic would that be? How epic would that be? We're gonna have to pause the video and like show me freaking out.
Beers, Team Yo Grunt, Vulpix, NK, Pokeball, a Sizzlipede, Zigzagoon, Reverse.
A rig. Wait, it's a holo.
Holo.
Not too bad. Last 2 packs.
Champion's
Got a hairball. You got a hairball on camera, guys.
Had a tickle. A little tickle in my throat.
How many Trish has got a hairball comments can we get?
Oh my gosh.
She's like, I'm not cooking you dinner tomorrow.
Great Ball, Absol, Rotom Phone, Trubbish, Hatina, Rockruff, Potion, Pokeball, Reverse Sonya.
Ooh, got a full RV Max. What's the famous phrase?
Ooh, got a Dreadnought VMAX.
Nice, last pack magic. Can you do it? She called that she would pull an amazing rare in this video. So let's see right here, moment of truth. Amazing rare. If you pull an amazing rare, then wait, no, you pulled a full art. So I think that means you might have won.
I might have.
By just a hair though. By just a hair though. Or maybe we'll tie it because I got 2 ultra rares.
Oshawott, Duskull, Ferroseed, Riolu, Reverse, and a regular rare Lycanroc.
Alright, let's get in to see who wins. Finally, guys, it's time to see who gets that base set Holo Raichu in this chunky chaw pack. I got my handy dandy notepad, handy dandy pen to write down the names. We're also going to pick a backup winner just in case they don't get a hold of us, and we're going to leave our Instagram and our email in the description of this video and probably the pinned comments too, so you can get a hold of us and we'll get this shipped out to you as soon as possible. Thank you all so much for participating. Tell them thank you, Trish.
Thank you.
Tell them thank you. Trish is recording.
You.
We ain't got it all set up yet, but we will. We're getting there.
We will.
We're on the rise. We're going to make it happen. So, before I do this, you guys need to know it's a YouTube random comment picker. Everything's already set up, ready to go. No need to go into detail, but I need you all to right now make like a Machop and karate chop that like button. That would be greatly appreciated. Now, I'm going to close my eyes right now. I'm going to click pick a winner, and Trish is going to tell me when it picks, and I'm going to say the name out loud and proud. Here we go. Thank you all so much for participating. No hard feelings if you don't win. It's okay. There's plenty more giveaways to come. Let's go. Did it pick?
It looked like, yes, Skippy missed.
Skippy missed. Congratulations. You are the winner. Oh my goodness. I hope you are excited for this, and it would mean the world if you would do a video. If you've never done a video, we can coach you how to do that. We can show you, teach you whatever you need, because this is awesome. I mean, you just simply title it, "We won a base set Holo Raichu," you know, a vintage Pokemon card. It'd be a great video, and we'll totally show some love and have all our people try and show you some love too. We're gonna go ahead and pick, oh wait, it says, "I'm thankful for having a healthy relationship with my family, members, and friends. Easily one of the most important things in my entire life would be my family and friends." Nice. Always great to be thankful for that, for sure. Now we're going to real quick pick a backup winner, guys. Just in case. I'm not looking. Tell me when it picks.
Danny Price.
Danny Price, you are the backup winner just in case Skippy does not get a hold of us. Oh, that looks a little bad on the camera, but it's okay. So I'm going to write those down just so we do not forget. And again, you can contact us. Our email and Instagram info will be in the description and pinned comments of the video. Thank you all so much for being here. This is kind of a longer video, but hey, it is what it is. We're gonna keep trying our hardest to dump out. Hold on, wait. Trisha needs some limelight. What's up, Trish? What you gotta say to the viewers?
Nothing.
You don't got nothing to say?
No,
Look how pretty. Look how pretty. That's Mama Torch right there.
Stop it.
That Mama Torch and Papa Torch, we made Baby Torch right here. Actually, he's in the other room, but yay! Thanks for watching.